the beginning of San Bernardino Tunnel. What time is it? It's now 17:13. This is not the longest one. What time is it?
What time is meeting time?
Oh my gosh.
They had traffic today.
Where? Gotthard?
Was probably so. Just another place where you would put your Tesla on automatic drive.
I don't know about that. If I have a Tesla, I think I would waste some of the features because that automatic drive, I probably never use it. I'm even scared for a human being to drive me much this in automatic. Jeez, you're not done yet? The rat to that one. But it hasn't been so long. Now it's 17.
Was only the light in the middle of the tunnel.
Halfway.
Almost.
We're not halfway. We're not halfway. Oh. minutes. Well, just short of 6 minutes. 6 minutes? Oh my word. Okay. The Gotthard is about
15 minutes.
oh, 15 minutes. Wow. Alright guys, that was it. That was the drive through the San Bernardino
San Bernardino.
San Bernardino tunnel.